here's some examples. Here's some example data of a who is active on a production instance, right? And so here, I didn't have any transactions. I saw a whole lot of different processes deleting user information, getting messages, just a lot of information, how long they were connected, their session. I have their information. I can get the call that they were making straight from that code. I'm going to pin this 1 second. So this is just saved data from SP who is active, right? And I can see most of them were sleeping. I know where they came from. Okay, that's great. So my second example is something similar where it's a completely different query. We see some things have been connected for a while. So great. So we can visualize, oh, there's update statistics going on in the background. We can see a lot of stuff. We can see items that have been, so this is a good example. So this has been connected for 34 days, right? And if you recognize SQL Server Diagnostics, that runs when it's a failover cluster instance. So you'll always see that on a failover cluster instance, and sometimes on an always availability group. Same thing with this one. This is the always availability group placeholder, kind of making sure that the always availability group is working, right? So things that were connected for a long time are not necessarily a bad thing, right? So these two would be like, if I did SP who is active, they would show up higher, on the list where it's maybe not necessarily important. And here's an example of something that's running transactions, right? So I have, in this snapshot, I have a couple that have been open transactions for 26, 27 seconds, which, okay, I understand that. But if you look over here, right, in my sample server, right, you can see I had something that was running for an hour and 16 minutes, and you can see it's still going strong. This would be a classic scenario where I find out who is executing it. Okay, oh, it happens to be me, and I might try to give him a call. I might give that person an email. I try to get with the business to determine, can I delete or kill his transaction, right? Because I can see 57 is being blocked by this one. I know what the command was. He was running an update. So that has a value.